Welcome to our weekly Savor the Flavor recipes with Youngevity. My name is Colleen Walters and I'm going to walk you through our crispy, creamy vegetable casserole. So don't worry, all of the recipes are downloadable on our website, so just follow along and enjoy. The first thing I've done is I've sauteed celery with some ghee and our fantastic garlic mix and roast rub. Now that's to get the full flavor going through the ghee and the celery. Then I added a little bit of chicken stock. Now if you're wanting this as a vegetarian recipe, of course you would add your vegetable stock. And our potatoes. Now I brought those, it took about 7-8 minutes to get them soft, and now I'm going to just add the rest of our ingredients. We're going to saute it again, simmer it, and then once it's finished simmering, we're going to add it to our baking pan. We're going to sprinkle it with some fantastic cheese, whatever kind of cheese that you like, and I have made a homemade dukkha. A dukkha is a Middle Eastern nut and seed and spice blend. So all I did was I chopped up some whole almonds and added some sesame seeds, put it in a hot pan, so with no oil or butter, just in a hot pan, not too hot, like you don't want it really hot so it's going to smoke, but just hot enough that it's going to bring the flavors through and give it a nice little bit of a roasting flavor. Now I roasted or panned those with the roast rub. So the aromatics going through this room, everyone was starving, watching or listening and smelling that one cooking. So now we're going to add some broccoli. Now you can use pretty much any vegetables in here. We're adding broccoli, asparagus, which is lovely, snap peas, sugar snap peas would be great. We've got green beans today. And we're adding some, now you could add cilantro. This is flat leaf parsley, so either one works great. We're going to stir that, and then we've added, for those of you in Australia or in the UK, creme fraiche. For those of you in North America, we are adding some thickened whipped cream, so you're looking for the thick whipped cream. And you're just going to stir that all together, getting all those lovely bits that were already cooked earlier. So we've got all of those beautiful herbs and spices and pepper working its way through here. And of course the roast rub has enough salt in here and pepper, so you would not add any more salt to this dish. It is a rub, so it's got enough salt for tenderizing and giving that extra little zip of flavor there. So that's it. Doesn't that look great? So we'll put this back on the pan, on the stove. We'll put a lid on it, so we want to get this soft, not wilted, but just soft, so it's got still a little bit of crunch. We're then gonna put it in the pan, sprinkle that on top, and pop it in the oven for anywhere from 3 to 5 minutes. Really depends on the heat and your oven. And thank you for joining us with Savor the Flavor. Watch for the recipes and of course the finished product photos on our website.